You can smell it, can't you? This is one thing I never thought my cat would do. Last night I brought home a burger, an Angus burger, and there's another one. There it is. No, you're not going to eat it. You ate half of mine last night. You're not going to get this one, cat. I know you can smell it. It smells good, doesn't it? I can't smell it. Ooh. But I never ever thought she would jump inside the fridge. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. This is my gray cat. We just call her Cat. We couldn't agree on a name for her. She goes in, on top of, under, beneath, and in, and behind every single thing. Well, there she goes. Okay. Yeah, it's on a shelf that you can't reach. You can't get to, right? Yeah. Yeah. You have that more pronounced meow. I need to clean out the bottom of the fridge. It's a little bit dirty there. Well, Cat, you had your treat last night. I'm not giving you the extra one I bought tonight. You're not going to get that turkey leg either. It's my smoked turkey leg. And those English cucumbers are wrapped. The turkey legs are wrapped, so she's not contaminating that food. But yes, you can smell it, can't you? Right way in the back of the fridge. You can smell that burger. It's one shelf above you right there. You're not gonna smell it. I'm sorry. You're not gonna eat it. No. Some kind of hair sticking down. Oh, you just love that, don't you? Love smelling that. Well, Cat, it's time to get out of there. Time to get out. Yeah, I'm gonna turn on the light in the bedroom here. Can you say hi to everybody? Too bad your face doesn't show up well on the camera. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I gave you 2 cans of your favorite canned food in the last 24 hours. Isn't that special enough? You've been spoiled the last 24 hours. Yeah. Okay, time for you to get down. Get down. Come on, get down. You know what down means. Come on, get down. Oh, don't. Come on, you're being a brat. Come on. Get down. Get down. Get down. I only have one hand. I gotta get you out of there. You're in the fridge. You're living in the fridge, just like that Weird Al song. Okay. No. Come on. Come on. Let's go. I'm being gentle with you. Okay.